Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Gracie. So, we're back for another video. But of course, before we proceed, kung bago ka sa aking channel at hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please click the subscribe button and hit mo na rin ang notification bell nang sa ganon maging updated ka sa mga upcoming videos ko. Okay? Thank you! So, without further ado, we're going to proceed to our topic. So, our topic for today is about GCash na tinatawag nilang G-loan. Kung paano ba tayong uutang or maglo-loan sa GCash. So, they have here na tinatawag na G-loan. Bukod pa sa G-credit, meron silang G-loan. Okay? So, what is GCash G-loan? Okay? Ang GCash G-loan, well, you may already be familiar with G-credit, di ba? Yun ang una nating nalaman yung G-credit yung dati. So, GCash also has G-loan that make it easier for users to borrow money and improve their financial condition. Ano nga ba yung G-loan again? G-loan is a lending feature for GCash users. Sa mga verified GCash users lang to. With this personal loan, you can also cash out the loan amount which can be directly credited to your dedicated bank account. Okay? So, in short, ito pong G-loan na to, pag once na ma-approve tayo at pumasok sa ating GCash account, pwede natin tong ma-withdraw. Okay? Unlike G-credit. Okay? Di ba si G-credit, hindi mo siya pwedeng ma-cash out. Andun lang siya sa credit mo. So, ang gagawin mo lang sa kanya, mo siya, yung QR code. Pambabayad mo siya sa groceries, ayun. Kung hindi nyo alam, kung meron kayong G-credit or mag-a-apply kayo ng G-credit and you don't know how to use it, meron po akong previous vlog or video tutorial about this on how to use our G-credit. Lalagay ko na lang po yung link dyan sa baba. Okay? So, nasa ganun pwede nyong panoorin kung paano natin gamitin yung G-credit. Okay? So, let's proceed. Ayun po, ano yung mga, kung paano tayo ma-approve sa G-loan na to? Saan sila nagbe-base? Okay? When it comes to a GCash loan application, approval will be based on your G-score. Same as G-credit, di ba? Pag high score ka na doon, yung credit score na tinatawag nila, kapag mataas na, pwede ka nang apply for G-credit. Same with this. Okay, yung G-score nila, G-score mo, tinitignan din nila. And kung gaano ka ka-active gumamit ng GCash mobile app. Okay? You'll be assessed according to your G-credit payments, wallet balance, bill payment history. Okay? The G-score doesn't only qualify you for a GCash loan online. It will also get you up to 30,000 credit line, a 3% interest rate, and exclusive benefits and perks. Okay? As in my case, first time kong mag-try nitong G-loan na to, I was approved for only 1,000 pesos. But it's okay kasi gusto ko lang talaga siyang i-try para for this purpose para maipakita ko or ma-share ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin yung G-loan na yon. Okay? Enjoy easy payment terms. You can pay your G-loan for as low as 2,700 per month. Well, this depends naman kung magkano ma-approve sa atin, di ba, sa inyo. Siyempre, kung mas mababa din yung per month mo. Ay, guys, disclaimer lang po, ha. Hindi ko naman po kayo pinupush para mangutang or mag-loan. This is only a review or in case guys na talagang kailangan, medyo nagigipit kayo and you're qualified naman to apply for G-loan, It's up to you naman guys, 'di ba? Pero hangga't maaari, 'di ba, mas maganda syempre wala tayong utang or walang loan para wala tayong iniintinding obligasyon na babayaran buwan-buwan. Okay? Let's proceed. So, here, meron yung iba kasi na-approve sila sa matataas na amount. For like, yun nga, sabi nga dito, 5,000 to 25,000 pesos. So, ito, papakita ko dito guys na pwede kayong mamili kung hanggang, kunwari, na-approve ka hanggang 25,000. So, gusto mo, 10,000 lang, 5,000, 15,000, pwede yun. Ida-drag mo lang yung line na ganon, kung ano yung amount na gusto mo. For example, you have borrowed 15,000 pesos. So, monthly dues mo is 2,100.17. So, sila naman yung magka-calculate nun. Tapos, maliles pa nila doon yung processing fee. 3% of principal amount will be deducted upon availment. So, mababawas na automatically doon yung processing fee. So, for example, 15,000 pesos nga, ang 3% is 450. So, ang makukuha mo na lang is, ang amount to receive is 14,550 pesos. Okay? Okay, let's proceed with the requirements. Okay, guys? Siguro iniisip natin kung qualified ba tayo, kung ano ba yung mga requirements dito. I think same lang din as G-Credit. Okay, guys? You must be a Filipino citizen, 21 to 65 years old, of course, good credit history, qualified G-score. Okay? Yung G-score, i-check nila yon. And valid email address. Yung active, yung email address na ginagamit ninyo. Okay? And fully verified GCash account. Kasi 'di ba merong basta hindi pa siya verified, kailangan fully verified ka na sa GCash. And of course, a valid government issued ID. Okay? We can check kung ano lagay ko na rin dito guys, kung ano yung mga valid IDs na tinatanggap ni GCash. Okay? Now, let's proceed to how to apply for GCash G-Loan. Okay? I will show you here the process kung paano yung ginawa ko nung nag-apply ako ng G-Loan na yan. Okay? Okay, let's go. Guys, I hope naintindihan nyo po at naging malinaw sa inyo yung step by step kung paano tayo mag-apply for a GCash G-Loan na ino-offer nila. Okay? So, don't forget, bawat detail or informations nyo na i-input nyo dyan ay tama. I-check nyo before you continue yung mga details nyo. Okay? And, for our next video, guys, I will show you how to pay for our G-Loan. Okay? So, syempre, kung mangutang tayo, syempre magbabayad din tayo. Di ba? Hindi yung puro utang lang. Bayad-bayad din. Joke lang. Okay, guys, thank you so much again for tuning into my channel and for your support. And again, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell na sa ganun updated ka sa mga upcoming videos ko. Thank you so much and God bless us all, guys. Bye!